Question number 32, gate 2004. The longest wavelength that can be observed by the silicon, which has the band gap of 1.12 electron volt, is 1.1 micrometer. It means given that at band gap of 1.12 electron volt, the longest wavelength lambda is 1.1 micrometer. The longest wavelength that can be observed by the another material is 0.87 micrometer, then the band gap of that material. Next, another material, this is called as first material, one called as 1 or A. This is a material A, band gap 1.12 electron volt, gives wavelength is 1.1 micrometer. Then another material band gap is what? For the value of the lambda is 0.87 micrometer. We know the relation between energy band gap and wavelength, inversely proportional relation. Eg is equal to h into c by lambda. Let constant, all this Planck constant is constant, light velocity is also constant. So the energy gap is inversely proportional to lambda. Then from this relation we know that EgB by means B material, EgB by Ega is equal to lambda A by lambda B. We want energy band gap of material B is equal to wavelength A by wavelength B into energy gap A. Substitute all these values, 1.1 by 0.87 into 1.12. This gives in electron volt. The answer is 1.416 electron volts. It gives the 1.416 electron volt. Option A is correct. This is one way. Solving this question is one way. There is direct formula for energy band gap. Energy band gap is equal to 1.24 by lambda in micrometer. This is very important formula for IES case and state exams like AE, Polytechnic. Remember this. We no need of this first case also. He is asking the another material of 0.87 micrometer of energy band gap and then find the material energy band gap for this lambda. Directly substitute this one. Eg is equal to 1.24 by 0.87 micrometer. It should be in micrometer. This is very important. No need to put here again 10 to power minus 6 micro. There is no need. Is already calculation for that. This lambda should be in micrometer only. Just by solving this one also we will get 1.46416 electron volt and units also electron volts. This lambda is micrometer. 1.416 electron volts. Option A is correct. I think this is best case solving this question.